Once more, she's down. These again. Oops. So these are the stock 300ZX. I think 315 or 350cc. And we're going with 750cc. But yeah, here she is again.